Hey guys, Scott with Air Gunner Reviews. So here it is. Here is our O-ring kit. This is coming from MCS. And a little thank you card from KT, the founder, KT Tron. Thank you very much for sending this out. This is a package, I think it's $29.95 for. Has all your rings for the back and all of them actually. So just kind of gives you a peace of mind. Now, disclaimer from myself, I have never needed to change any of the O-rings out on this marker. It is ran 100% true, not a problem with it. There is a little trick, a little trade-off that I do, and that is that I give it time to warm up between putting another CO2 in. And I think that's a big thing with this. CO2 gets extremely cold. I did a little segment on that on the last O-rings. If you put one in, you shoot it, you take it back out. If you give it 10-15 minutes to warm up a little bit, then you can stick the second one. But if you are going to stick one in, fire it, you are getting it very cold, you take that one out, you put another one, bang, 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 and then now it's really frozen. By the time you stick a third one in here, it may perform okay, but the next time you air it up and you pop the bottom, good chance you're going to have the seal go and just fly out of here, the O-ring. So you really have to space out between firing. That's my disclaimer right there. You want to leave the O-rings, in good shape. Don't keep just firing. It's fun to shoot. I understand. This is something that people don't talk about a lot with this. Trigger pull is great with it. Accuracy is great. Just the feel of it is just, it is really my favorite launcher. Let's get this open here. Let's take a look at some of the rings. I'm not going to go through all of them, but let's see what we have here. Pop. All right, that's the one that I replaced just to see is held up very well. Let's pull out this whole thing here. As you can tell, it is well greased here. This one is looking good. Let's open this kit up and see. There's that blue one right there. Nothing behind there. There's the little bumper. So the basic one right here is that little blue one. It's kind of blue. Let's take a look at what we have. O-rings. Now that I greased up my fingers, I can't get the package open. Well, do it this way. There we go. Because there's a package in a package. There's all your little Allen keys for it. And there are a bunch of them in here. So they do have these in stock if you're looking to get them. Just for peace of mind. Just for peace of mind, guys. So there's some very, very small ones. I'm going to leave that one in a package. There's a real tiny one right there. There's a little tiny orange here. Two tiny orange. One's a little larger than the other. A black one, not too sure what that goes to. A white. Three whites, different sizes. And I believe this is the one. Yep, that's probably the one that goes on here. If I were to stretch it on, that would work there. I'm assuming that. This is... These are very hard. So yes, there's that one right there that would fit on in here. That, I'm assuming, would go here. And I'm not too sure about where the other ones go here. Let's see here. Oh, the other one goes here. So it looks like they might be two. This one's really hard. Yes, would be nice if they actually marked them. Let you know which one goes which. But anyhow, That'll be the next thing. I'm sure somebody's going to come out with a video on which of these O-rings go to which one. If I have one break, of course, I'm going to go take it apart and I'm going to figure out which one goes where. But I'm not going to take mine apart. Sense to it, it's not broken. So I'm not going to take apart anything that's not broken, but I'm going to hold on to these. So I love the fact that now you guys can rest easy with your Pistelle X68. That's it for today, guys. Here's the kit. Rest assured, I love the Pistelle. It's an awesome launcher. If you haven't got one, I recommend it. Almost 50 joules with mine. Sometimes 50, 48 joules, 47 joules. Very responsive. Love the trigger pull. I just love everything about this. Hey, thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you on the next one.